Hello everyone, my name is Mario and welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to remove this cover, remove these spouts, and get to the inside of the machine in order to get to the top spouts of this espresso machine. Now we took that cover off, clean it, make sure that there's no any coffee buildup, as these machines are notorious for having a lot of coffee buildup on those spouts specifically. Because these ones you can remove and you can service, and they are just to hold the coffee that comes from the upper spouts. So there's two, one over here and one inside of it. The one that is inside is the one that we clean. We also service the brew unit, replacing the O-ring of it and replacing also the brew vat of the machine itself. This is the older brew vat of the machine. This takes care of delivering water through here into the brew unit, and then it dispenses coffee as it starts brewing. So we did that. We descaled the machine, deep cleaned the steamer as well. There was a lot of milk buildup in here. We soaked it on milk cleaning solution as well as hot water, and now the steamer is clean. So we're gonna be testing this espresso machine, starting with 1 shot of espresso. Well, we got enough water, we got enough coffee beans, so we can just do that extraction. Now this machine works, has a magnet sensor right here that is located into the side of the machine. So if you have this cover open, it will not grind, and that's a safety feature. We make sure that the sensor was in the right place and it was working correctly with the lid closed. Now the machine is going to brew. Nice shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Lower the spouts a bit more. We're using our test coffee and we're using the coarse setting of the grinder. And even though we're using the coarse setting of the grinder, we are having excellent crema coming out of that espresso shot. You can see the lines forming. There you go. Nice shot of espresso with our test coffee and on the coarse setting of the machine. Let's test the hot water. Now the machine needs to get up to temperature, as this machine is a single boiler and the boiler is located right here. Once it does, the water pump will push water through the system, through the two-way valve, out into the hot water one, as you see right there. Nice flow coming out of the one, looking great. We're gonna stop it, and then we're gonna be using the steamer function of this machine. It needs to get up to temperature as well, and once it does, it's gonna shoot water through here as we just use the hot water function of the machine, and then once it purges that water, it's gonna shoot steam coming out through the one. There you go, a little bit of water that I say, and now it's purging itself and steaming the way it's supposed to. Nice steam coming out of the one, excellent pressure. Working excellent, working great. So there you have it. Gaggia Anima working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.